This is not Joseph Watson 5293 gets grounded. That's right. This is Joseph Watson 69 gets grounded.
No. Man, I can't believe it's Joseph Watson 50-93's birthday. Because he made a lot of song mashups. That's it. I'm going to his birthday party and play the City Boy sound effect in front of him. Show him what he's worth. Ha 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 ha.
Happy birthday, Joseph Watson 5293. We hope you have an amazing day.
Thank you so much, guys. This is the best birthday party ever.
Make a wish and blow out those candles.
Not so fast. I am going to play the City Boy sound effect in front of Joseph Watson 5293 during his birthday.
Joseph Watson 69. Don't you dare do it.
City Boy! City Boy!
Oh my goodness gracious. Joseph Watson 69, what in the world is wrong with you? Why would you play the City Boy sound effect in front of Joseph Watson 5293 during his birthday? You know that sound effect is annoying, cringe, and terrifying. That's it, go home right now.
Joseph Watson 69. I cannot believe you played the City Boy sound effect in front of Joseph Watson 5293 during his birthday. You know that sound is very annoying, cringe, and terrifying. That's it, you are supremely grounded for 19,739,934,837,494,748 centuries. Go to your room right now and don't come out.